Meaning of mannerism.
Mannerism. Mannerism.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A manner or way of doing something, especially a distinctive or habitual one. 2. A peculiarity of style or manner, especially in art, literature, or music. Examples. 1. He had a mannerism of tapping his foot impatiently during meetings. 2. The artist's use of bold colors was a mannerism that became a hallmark of his work. Historical. Definitions. 1. A style of art, architecture, or decoration characterized by abnormal or unnatural proportions, poses, or expressions. Examples. 1. Mannerism was a dominant style in 16th century Italian art. 2. The elongated figures in the painting are typical of Mannerist art. Rhetoric. Definitions. 1. A figure of speech in which a word or phrase is repeated at the beginning of successive clauses or sentences. 2. A peculiar or affected way of speaking or writing. Examples. 1. The politician's use of anaphora was a mannerism that added emphasis to her speeches. 2. The writer's mannerism of using overly complex sentences was distracting.
Mannerism. Mannerism.